So the SIR process has begun in the state of Uttar Pradesh, just like Bihar. The process is on here as the BLOs along with the administrative team are moving to the different localities for this particular survey of the SIR, where it will be established about the number of voters in different localities. If you talk about the population of Uttar Pradesh, it's more than 15 crore, and that's why 1.62 lakh of booth level workers, that means BLOs, have been given the responsibility of this particular area, and that's why they are moving from this particular place through the localities of Lucknow, and we'll be moving across to those particular localities to ensure each ground report from each locality just on India Today TV. Let's come across. So the procedure of SIR has begun. As we saw, as we showed you, the officers went from the government offices and now have reached at the residential areas, at the residences of different voters in Lucknow. As you see that they have been also given such kinds of documents in which they have to fill up their details. They can also change their photograph if they don't like it. And if your data is being registered in the 2003 data, then you don't have to worry much. But if it is not, then also you have to submit your Aadhaar, your voter ID number, everything right over there. I have been joined by some residents as well. आप लोग कितना इस प्रक्रिया को देख रहे हैं? जैसे कि आपके बगल में बैठी हुई हैं इस वक्त BLO यहाँ आई हुई हैं, SDM यहाँ आए हुए हैं. आप लोग प्रक्रिया को किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं?
मेरे नज़रिए से ये जो भी गवर्नमेंट कर रही है बहुत सही कर रही है, और ये काम आज से कुछ सालों पहले हो जाना चाहिए था. इसमें जो न्यू जनरेशन वोट नहीं डाल पाती है और जो एक्सपायर हो गए हैं उनके फर्जी वोट पड़ रहे थे. मेरे हिसाब से सर ये सरकार का एक नया पहलू बहुत अच्छा है, हम लोग इसके साथ हैं.
इस लिस्ट के जरिए आप क्या समझा रही हैं?
सर ये वोटर लिस्ट हमारी 2025 की है और ये हमारी 2003 की है. इससे हमने सर मैपिंग करी है, तो इसी की डिटेल तो सर हमको यहाँ फिल करवाना है. जब तक हम इनको नहीं गाइड करेंगे ये नहीं फिल कर पाएंगे सर. अपनी डिटेल तो देखिए इन्होंने भर ली, इसके लिए तो हमको ही इनको सहारा देना है कि कैसे कैसे ये भरिए, तो हम बैठ के ही इनको ये काम करवा पाएंगे सर. इसके लिए हम 2 प्रतियाँ रहेंगी, एक प्रति हम इनको दे देंगे पावती के रूप में कि हम इनके घर आए हमने सर.
BLO's responsibility is not just limited to handing over this particular document, but also to ensure that these documents must be filled with the entire responsibility, and for that they have got these documents of 2003, and that's why you see the SDM out here, the BLO out here, and all the administrative people out here along with the election commission moving across different residential areas of Lucknow to ensure proper SIR in the state of Uttar Pradesh. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.